Ito yung resulta kapag kahit hindi masyadong mainit, no? Kasi parating may bagyo. Pero kung wala, talaga kung complete ito na sunlight, napaganda nito. Meron din mga fungus kasi hindi tayo nag-spray ng fungicide. Kasi mahirap na po, no? So tatanggalin lang natin ito. And then, it's good to go. Yan.
Difficult and the tears may fall, I know that God is with me and His promise will be fulfilled. I don't give up on my dreams, for I know that God will honor my faith. He is my